In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your email, contacts, and calendar with Microsoft Outlook. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Microsoft Outlook website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your mailbox. We'll begin with backing up an individual email. Open the specific message you want to keep. In the message window, look for the three dots, often labeled More Actions, usually near the top right of the email. Click that, then choose Print. In the print window, find the printer or destination setting and switch it to Save as PDF. This turns your email into a clean, portable file. Click Save, pick a safe location on your computer. Creating a Backups folder is a good idea, and give the file a clear name so you can find it later. Repeat this for any other important emails you want to archive. Next, let's back up your contacts. In Outlook on the web, select the people icon on the left sidebar to open your contacts. Make sure you're viewing all contacts so nothing is missed. Look for Manage Contacts, then select Export Contacts. When the Export panel opens, click Export. Outlook will download a .csv file containing your contacts. Save it to the same backup folder and consider adding today's date to the file name. This .csv can be imported into most email services or spreadsheets, making it a reliable format for restoring your address book. Now let's back up your calendar. Click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose Calendar. In the Calendar settings, find Shared Calendars. Under the section labeled Publish a Calendar, open the drop-down and choose the calendar you want to back up. Set the permissions to Can view all details so the export includes full event information. Click Publish. Outlook will generate links. Look for the ICS link. Click the ICS link and when prompted, choose Download. This will save in the ICS file, which is a standard calendar format that you can import into most calendar apps. Store it in your backup folder alongside your emails and contacts. As a best practice, keep these files organized and consider setting a reminder to repeat this process periodically so your backups stay current. That's it. You've saved an email as a PDF, exported your contacts to a CSV, and downloaded your calendar as an ICS file. With these three files, you have portable, widely compatible backups that are easy to restore whenever you need them.